Bluebeam Review simplifies the process of establishing the scale in your drawings. You can set the scale or scales of a document through several methods. Entering a known scale or collaborating to a recognized or accepted measurement to find the scale are the two most effective approaches. If your drawing includes the scale listed at the bottom of the page, you can input this scale into the Measurements panel. To begin, open the Measurements panel if it's not already open. Under Page Scale, select either Preset or Custom. Preset allows you to choose from a list of common page scales. If your page scale is not listed under the common page scales, you can select Custom and enter the appropriate measurements. In this case, 1/8 of an inch equals 1 foot. If you need to change any measurement units, you can use the drop-down options. To apply the scale to multiple pages, click Add Scale or More Pages in the dialog box. You can select from all pages or a specific range. If your document does not display a scale, you can still set the scale using the Calibrate tool based on a standard or known dimension, such as the width of a door. To use the Calibrate tool, open the Measurements panel and click Calibrate. A dialog box will appear with instructions on how to set the scale. Click OK. Navigate to an area with a known dimension. Drawings will typically have dimensions listed on the drawing. Find 2 points where the dimension is given. Zoom into that area, then click on one point, then the other. In the Calibrate dialog box, select Custom to enter the dimension you just measured. In this case, 30 feet. You can also customize the units and precision of the scale and set a page range. Whichever method you use to set the scale, ensure it's accurately set by taking a quick measurement of a known length. Select the Length tool, click on the first point to measure, and then click on the second point to confirm the measurement. By following these simple steps, you can easily and accurately set the scale for your drawings and review, ensuring precise measurements in all of your projects.